Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the monthly, I still believe this is going to make a higher low, and I still think this is going to go up and make either an expanding flat wave C, which would bring it up above these highs, or possibly it's going to be a running flat, which would bring it down to one of these lower Fibonacci extension levels. Either way, I'd still believe that we have a pretty good amount of upside potential on the monthly. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I'm still looking at this right here as the end of a wave 2. I still think this right here is likely a wave 1 of 3. I still think this is likely a wave 2 of 3. I still think it is very likely to go up and make a 3, a 4, and a 5 of that wave C, just like I was explaining on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely have been kind of working our way down last few days, but I still think there's a very good likelihood that move down is a correction to this move up. I am still looking at this as possibly ending a correction and possibly continuing back up later on. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I still believe that this is likely to be an ABC correction. Now it is definitely going down, and until we actually get that 3, 4, 5 shape at the bottom with a breaker structure at a Fibonacci level, and you are trading the very short time frames below the 1 hour, I think you need to continue to look for shorts because there is always a chance this is an ABC correction, like I've been saying for weeks, and there's always a chance that this does just keep on going down. So we should definitely be looking for shorts until we see that 3, 4, 5 shape at the Fibonacci level for the end of a correction. So heading down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, until we see that double bottom 3, 4, 5 shape that you see at the end of pretty much every trend, I would definitely still be looking for shorts on anything below the 1 hour time frame. At this point, I would say it's pretty likely it's at least going to go down to the 161.8. If it does go up here and if it does break structure in a big way, then okay, I would definitely start looking for longs at that point. But I would definitely have to see a nice double bottom 3, 4, 5 shape with a breaker structure in order to go long, because there is definitely a chance that this just keeps on going down. And if we are looking for shorts on below the 1 hour time frame and this just keeps on drifting down, then that's really not going to create an issue for us. On the other hand, if it does make that 3, 4, 5 shape with a nice clear breaker structure at a Fibonacci level, then we can definitely stop looking for shorts and we can start looking for longs again, and most likely that would be the end of a correction to this last move up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.